Mabuhay! My name is Christa and welcome to Pinays Kitchen.
Yummy, yummy sauce.
Today I'm gonna show you how to make a Pinays Kitchen version of lemongrass pork and lemongrass chicken. Two ways, one for the banh mi and one with the rice noodles. First is we're gonna need to do the marinade for the chicken and the pork. Here are the ingredients you will need. Divide your marinade into half. One half is for the pork belly and one half is for the chicken. You can put on your gloves and make sure that all your pork is coated with the marinade. Same thing with the chicken, make sure that the chicken is coated with the marinade. Cover your chicken and your pork belly with plastic wrap and leave it in the fridge to marinate for 6 hours to overnight. We will also need pickled carrots and radish for our banh mi. Here are the procedures and the ingredients. Mix your carrots and your radish with the salt-sugar mixture until it starts to sweat. Once you see a pool of liquid on the bottom of the bowl, you can rinse it in cold water and then strain it. And now we're doing the pickling liquid for the vegetables. Whisk everything together until the sugar dissolves in the liquid. Drain the liquid from your vegetables using a colander or a strainer and then transfer it into a clean bowl. Now pour your pickling liquid onto the vegetables and make sure to mix everything together. If you're using this pickle right away, you can let it sit for at least 30 minutes in a bowl, or if not, you can transfer it in a mason jar and leave it in the fridge. Now let's do the chili sauce that goes with the lemongrass chicken with the rice noodles. Boil your rice noodles for at least 3 minutes. Once it's cooked, use a strainer or a colander to drain the noodles and rinse it with cold water. I also sliced some jalapenos, cilantro, mint, scallions, and alfalfa sprout that can be mixed with the banh mi and the lemongrass chicken with rice noodles. I also sliced some cucumbers to add with the banh mi. After marinating for overnight, grill your chicken until it's fully cooked. Make sure to baste it with the marinade once in a while. Cook your chicken in 350 oven for 45 minutes and then finish it on the grill. Everything we need here. We have the pork, the grilled pork is done, the chicken, we have some fresh carrots and daikon here. and we also have the pickled carrots and radish or daikon. And we have some cucumber here, and of course our sauce. I have some pate here. So guys, I'm excited. I'm gonna show you how to build the sandwich. So first, let's have we have our French baguette here. They usually take off the inside. So pate here. This is a liver pate. And then of course mayo on the other side, pickled daikon and carrots. Ooh. Of course cucumber, right? And then I'm just gonna put like one there. Of course scallion, cilantro and some mint. This is my version, so I'm gonna put some sprouted alfalfa sprout. I think it will add a little bit of freshness in there. And then of course Maggi. I have some jalapeno here too, but I'm not gonna add that because my husband doesn't like too much spicy. Oh, look at that. You hear that crunch? Oh my gosh, look at that. And then now I'm gonna build my noodles. So what I would like to do is add my noodles here, some salad, simple salad. I like to have a little bit of that as well. And then I'm gonna put 2 drums. It's yummy, yummy sauce. I don't have red chilies, but if you have red chilies, please use that. I only have jalapeno, so I'm using jalapeno. And here's our banh mi, and of course the lemongrass chicken with the salad and the rice noodles. Thank you guys for watching. If you liked today's video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Until then, thank you guys. I hope to see you again soon. Again, this is Christa of Pinays Kitchen. Thank you guys. Bye!